In this video, you'll learn how to use Adalo as a complete beginner, so you can start building your first app in just a few minutes without writing any code. First, go to adalo.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click Create New App. Give it a name, and choose whether you want to build a mobile app, a web app, or both at the same time. Next, pick a template that matches your idea or start from a blank canvas for full creative control. Adalo offers ready-made designs for marketplaces, social apps, directories, and more, so beginners can move fast with confidence. Now, get familiar with the editor. On the left, you'll see your screens, in the center, your canvas, and on the right, the Properties panel, where you can customize every element with simple, beginner-friendly controls. After that, drag and drop components like buttons, forms, lists, and images onto your screens. Then, set up your database inside Adalo to store users, products, or any data your app needs, no coding or setup required. Once your design is ready, add actions to your buttons to create navigation, logins, or form submissions. When everything works, click Publish to share your app as a live link or submit it to the App Store and Google Play. And that's it. You now know the basics of Adalo and you're ready to build your first app with confidence.